Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to shed some light on a very interesting topic, that is Indian culture versus Western culture. So, Indian culture is something which gives a lot of emphasis on family ties, spirituality, age old customs, whereas Western culture is something which gives more emphasis to individualism. It gives emphasis to work and industrialization, and very less importance to relationship and family ties. So which is better? In my opinion, as per a lot of BJP leaders, this Western culture is dominating the Indian culture. But sorry to say, it's a very political comment to say, but
No, it's okay. Be frank and speak whatever you like to speak.
but Western culture is not at all dominating Indian culture. It is somewhat giving more dimension to India. Like Indian culture has a lot of diversity, and when Western culture get merged with it, it gives more diversity to it. Like if I give an example of kurta, people wear kurta, and earlier they used to wear kurta and dhoti, pajama, something like that. But now they wear kurta and a jeans, a new invention. Don't you think so?
That is called fusion.
Fusion. And earlier we had a lot of diversity in food items as well. In the southern India we had dosa and all. Northern India we had different food items. Now we can have a totally different cuisine. We have Chinese to eat, we have Thai to eat, we have burger, pizza, too many things, too many options to choose from. So it is not at all dominating. I'm in the favor of Western culture because it is merging too many cultures and making our culture more diverse. So let us embrace both the culture and not feel that anyone is inferior. Thank you.
Hello, myself Pratik, and I'm going to talk about Indian culture as well as Western culture. So our Indian culture is thousands of years old. At the time, many countries or many ideas or many generations have not been developed till the time. We have developed many things like yoga, as well as how we eat food or how we cook food and how to build home and houses and many things, and empires also. Indian culture tells about the peace, mental peace, and talks about human to live peacefully with animals as well as things that are not even of this earth. While Western culture mainly talk about that much I know, talks about materialistic things, that we can live peacefully and let the other burn or whatever he want to live in other way. Many scientists and Nobel Prize winners appreciated Indian culture with respect to Western culture. Okay, thank you.
That's
Good morning everyone, my name is Charvi and I'm here to speak on the topic Indian culture versus Western culture.
Come little bit here.
So Indian culture basically depends upon collectivity and being with the family, being with the raisings which they gave us, whereas the Western culture basically depends upon the one individual. It does not have any belongings, or it does not depends upon the whole family. As seen in the Indian culture, the parents teach their children the cultures and the custom which has been followed from the very past and the very past time of India. But as seen in Western culture, they don't have such customs and they don't have such rituals to follow. I believe both the customs are equally important, and they have their merits as well as demerits. Both the cultures give teachings. As seen in Indian culture, Indian people go with the flow and they adopt every culture, whereas Western culture does not adopt and accept every culture, as what I have seen, and this is what
That's correct.
I had
That's
to
correct.
speak.
Yes. Give it to her.
Hello everyone, my name is Makshi Dhakolia and I'm here to share my opinion Western culture and Indian culture. And I like Indian culture because I live in Indian culture, and Indian culture is respect and spices and rituals to celebrate all the functions together. It's so enjoy and fun with families. So such a nice memories with families. And in Western culture there are moral technologies and human rights, and Western culture is also good. And thank you.